guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to cut open these squishy toys. Look at my butt, look at my butt. But I'm going to do that in style by wearing these bracelets. Check out my bracelets! Whoa! They turn out so good! I'm so proud of myself! And if you guys haven't noticed, look what I'm wearing! It's the same nail polish that I showed you in my last video. It's the Rapunzel one. It's from Dollarama. Amazingly, surprisingly, very nice. And now it's time to check out our squishy toys.
And here we have our monster, Hulk, Donatello, and Batman.
Let's check out our monster ball. There is a ball inside. He has some funny hair and horn. It doesn't matter how cute or scary you are because I am going to cut you into small pieces. So who's the monster here now? Now, Mr. Hulk, you've been destroying things for too long now. Now it's your turn. That's his heart beating because he's scared. I'm going to destroy you, Hulk. I'm going to destroy you. And you too, Donatello. Aw, you already have tooth missing. So cute. Soon you will have your head missing too. Because I'm going to cut it. Look at me. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. My head. Ow, 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 ouch. Look at my butt. My butt cheek, my butt cheek, my butt cheek. There's fireworks going on in my head. Look at my head. Ooh, ooh. And then we have our Splat Man. I got this one from Dollarama as well. Shoo. 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 Let go my head, let go my head. No, I'm going to cut you open. Yes, I want to see what's inside of you. So let's start with our monster ball. There is a ball inside, I can see it's a white one. Well, let's just make it easy for ourselves and cut it. Oh, it's a flat monster. So there is a cheap ball inside. Let's cut it open. Now let's open our Hulk. Mr. Hulk, you have a big head. So here we have Hulk's fingers. And I'm going to chop them. Chop them, chop them, chop them, chop them. Oh. This is Hulk's glowing heart, and I'm going to keep it. it's time for our Splatman. They'll be so happy, okay? Let's see what we have in here. Oh. What is it? What is it? Yuck. And now it's time for our Donatello.
Leave me alone, woman! Leave me alone! My other ninjas won't spare you!
I will cut open them too, Donatello. Donatello is a very squishy one. I thought he has so much muscles, but nope. Look at his butt. So big. And he's so squishy and mushy. Where are your muscles, Donatello? Where are your muscles?
I forgot them at home. Let me go and get them, okay?
I'm not that dumb. I am going to cut you open and see. Don't try to fool me, Donatello. Now it's time.
What?
I'm going to cut your head off.
No, not my head, not my head.
Okay, let's start with your hands. Okay, let's cut it open. It's very squishy and rubbery, and again we have this ball inside. And they are like two glowing eyes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!